If you want your employees to start sharing your social media posts, watch this video. Hey guys, Katrina here from threeearsmedia, and today I want to give you a quick tactic for how you can get your employees a little more engaged with that employer brand. Because I've seen the posts, I watch as, 3 people retweet that employer brand post, and I know someone sent an email about it. I know someone in your company really cares that people share. It's probably you. So here's my piece of advice on how you get people to share. First of all, you need to divide your outreach by department at least, if not even smaller groups. So when you reach out to people and ask them to share content, you're going to reach out to each department individually. But here's the twist. You're going to explain to them how sharing this is helpful for their department, their hiring, or the company, and how it might affect them. Instead of just saying, please share this, it's a big moment in our blah, 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 history, blah, blah, all of the things that you think matter to them, dial down to what really matters to them, which is being helpful to other people. All people want that. We care about other people. So, convince and give them content that's truly helpful to candidates if you want them to share. And if you want more advice on how to get your team to share, go to KatrinaKibben.com. That's my blog here at 3 Years Media, where you can read stories like that and advice every day.